I'm Kristen Durney, co-founder of Mental Wellness Unleashed, and today in this video we're going to talk about the 180 Shift tool. And this tool is really effective for personal and professional development as well as can be used as a coaching tool. And what the history behind this tool is when I was diagnosed with a mental health condition, I actually went through cognitive behavioral therapy. And I started to develop tools and techniques, which I call mental homework, on ways I could effectively change my thought patterns. So cognitive behavioral therapy foundation is about changing negative thought patterns, your non-reality, to positive thought patterns, your reality. And oftentimes we have something we call ANTs, which are automatic negative thoughts. And so we want to really shift that mindset by taking a negative thought pattern, self-limiting belief, and shifting it to a positive thought pattern or your reality. So a little science behind it is when we look at neuroplasticity, we look at shifting the brain. So it's actually making your neurotransmitters and your synaptic connections between neurons and your brain cells stronger. So we're able to strengthen that relationship through that synaptic connection as well as grow more brain cells. So as we shift our mindset to those positive thoughts, that's actually what occurs in the brain. So there's true science behind it. So we can train our brain as the muscle it is. So you want to take that negative thought pattern and do a 180 shift of that thought, and do this habitually for 21 to 30 days. And the first 4 days may not feel comfortable, but as soon as you continue doing it, your reality will set in. So you want to say it in the morning and write it down in the morning. And I suggest getting a journal and then say it during the day. Also write it down either in your journal or on a piece of paper or sticky note. And then you want to say it and write it down at night. And a best practice that I always tell when I'm doing coaching is to actually record this with relaxing music. So before you go to bed, so it gets in your subconscious. So again, that's the tool itself. And again, it's very effective for any type of negative thought patterns or self-limiting beliefs. And once you continue to do this, it'll become habitual for other thought patterns we want to change. So an example I'll give that I get a lot during when I'm coaching is people often say, I feel like I'm not good enough. So you take that thought pattern and say, I'm not good enough, and change it to, not only am I good enough, I'm valued and people value me and I'm loved. So that's the tool, a brief description of it. If you want the template of the tool, please reach out to us at info@mentalwellnessunleashed.com. Or if you have any other questions, please let us know. I'll end with this. There's a really good book by Dr. Daniel Amen, who came up with the ANTS acronym called Change Your Brain, Change Your Life. So anyway, that's it for today in terms of this tool. But if you do have any more questions around it and want that template, again, reach out to us at info@mentalwellnessunleashed.com. Thanks so much and take care.